Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Pennystocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I am the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we are going to be discussing 4 OTC stocks to watch. They are DMG Blockchain Solutions, DMGGF on the OTC markets, Integrated Ventures, INTV on the OTC markets, Net Savings Link, NSAV on the OTC markets, and AppSwarm, SWRM on the OTC markets. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video, hit the red subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also, go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where our subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like MMMEDF at 63 cents, ENZC at 0.014, ALPP at 0.075 and TSNP at 0.0069. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number to get our SMS alerts. They work with all numbers from any country. If you're in the UK, you would enter 44, then your number, Switzerland 41, Australia 61, then your number, your first name, hit I'm Not a Robot and submit, and then you will get our SMS alerts. And with that out of the way, let's get started here. First, it's important to understand that trading OTC stocks not the same as trading blue chips. As we have stressed repeatedly, it's important to find the momentum before it happens and then be patient. And what do we mean by that? What we are looking to do here at Insider Financial is position our subscribers before the move happens. We got our subscribers in early on TSNP back in November, ALPP last February. And this is where the big gains are made. Subscribers sitting on over 9,000% gains in ALPP and over 19,000% gains in TSNP. It's also important to own a portfolio of OTC stocks. For some, that can be as many as 10 to 20 or more OTC stocks. We recommend, approaching it like a venture capitalist. How does a venture capitalist invest? They invest across a portfolio of companies. They know some are going to go bankrupt, some they're going to break even, but there's going to be a handful that are absolute home runs, and they make up for the losers. And, all it takes is, $1,000 in TSNP or ALPP, and you've absolutely scored. So, it doesn't take a lot of money to make a lot of money in the OTC stock game. So, just keep that in mind. If you start out with 10,000, that's it. Start out with investing $250 or $500 in each position. That gives you diversification, and it will give you make sure you don't go broke in this game. So diversification is extremely important. And we know many of you prefer to day trade, but we're not day traders here at Insider Financial. I've been trading 30 years. I don't like the intraday moves. It just doesn't suit my personality. I much more prefer the Warren Buffett style of investing. I enjoy researching, hundreds of penny stocks each week, trying to find the best ideas for my subscribers, getting in low and then, just waiting for the move to happen. So that's what I have found works best for me. But again, I'm not a financial advisor, so you just need to find what works best for you. And if you want to day trade, we recommend the folks over at True Trading Group. Check them out. Mike Edward and the team, he's a former hedge fund trader. They do live streams on YouTube 6 nights a week, market recaps. They also have a chat room, a lot of learning and educational resources. So we include links in the description so you can check them out if that's what you're looking to do. And, when it comes to OTC stocks versus, NASDAQ or NYSE, also known as big board penny stocks, there's always a bull market somewhere. We feel it's important for penny stock investors to trade both OTC and big board pennies. Again, depending on the market conditions, there are always opportunities if you give yourself the flexibility to trade all markets. We hate when someone pigeonholes themselves in a corner and says, oh, I only trade OTC or I only trade big board pennies. If you do that, you're going to leave a lot of money on the table. For instance, last year, for the first half of 2020, it was much more profitable to trade the NASDAQ penny stocks than OTC. This is where we and our subscribers are positioned. We captured runs in SRNE, NEO, INO, IBIO, WKHS, and many others. And then once the summer came, many of the COVID runners had failed to find momentum, and we pivoted to OTC and caught the runs in TSNP, ENZC, MMM, and EDF, and many others. Lately, though, the place to be has been the OTC. There's just no shortage of multi-baggers at the moment. Right now, it's an incredible time to be a penny stock investor, and it's like being at the casino. When you got a hot hand, this is when you want to take advantage of it. And right now, we know it won't be this easy all the time to make money. I've been doing this 30 years. I know a bear market's right around the corner, but there's no indication that it's coming anytime soon. So right now it's just take advantage of it, and when that bear market comes, that's when you want to go into more cash. You want to be more selective on your picks, and you want to pick and choose your spots. But right now, there's no shortage of runners. It feels like everything's running, so take advantage of it while we can, and that's what we're looking to do here at Insider Financial. So today, the first OTC stock to watch is DMGGF. And this has been an incredible runner off the crypto craze. This stock was trading at just 8 cents back in November. So congrats all who got in over here. But, if you miss getting in over here or here, the point is that, if you miss these runners, wait for the dips. Do your research, decide if you like the stock. If you like what go to otcmarkets.com, tremendous resource. Everything's there, financials, news, security profile, everything. There's company websites, there's social channels. Check them out. If you like what you see and you miss the move, wait for red dip days. Red dip days, this is when you want to load up a position, build your position. You don't want to be building a position when the stock is running because, God forbid, you top ticket, you buy at the top. I'm not saying that's the case with any of today, but, these are the things that you always have to be worried about. And, if you get the top, in these OTC stocks, a lot of them will correct 70-80% quickly. So just keep that in mind if you're new to OTC stocks. And DMGG, this is an attractive play because it's not just a crypto mining company. It's a full service, vertically integrated blockchain company. They possess core assets. It begins with an 85 megawatt power substation and 27,000 square foot data center in British Columbia. They also plan to monetize their cryptocurrency pool in partnership with Marathon Patent Group. We recommended Mara back in August when it was just $4. Back in August, we said why Mara stock is heading higher. So congrats to all who listened there. And, their focus for 2021 is its Christina Lake crypto mining operation. It's getting ready to complete its previously announced retrofitting from air to immersion cooling, which will increase both its hosting and self-mining operations, as well as providing the company flexibility in managing its costs. Company also owns Datient. This is the Silicon Valley-based creator of BlockSeer and WalletScore. This acquisition was a strategic move based on the future of compliance and good governance in the cryptocurrency space. In order for a Bitcoin ETF to come into fruition, for more institutions to come into the space, it needs more compliance and good governance. So this was a smart acquisition by DMGGF. And BlockSeer is well positioned with its first two products, Explorer and WalletScore. These allow users to properly be informed, aware, and protected in an otherwise often gray space. The company CEO Dan Reitzek said, DMG is a vertically integrated blockchain company focusing on all aspects of the Bitcoin blockchain, beginning at the mining ecosystem through to securing the blockchain and processing Bitcoin transactions. Our business divisions include self-mining, hosting third-party clients, development and deployment of software products such as BlockSeer's Mine Manager to manage mining operations, as well as the recent launch of BlockSeer's Pool, which aggregates Bitcoin mining hash rates and connects them to the Bitcoin protocol. So we see DMGG as an attractive play, as we still think Bitcoin is on its march to 100,000. So little pullback today in Bitcoin, but again, folks, as we say, buy dips if this is what you believe in. Moving on, OTC stock to watch number 2 is INTV. We had told our subscribers just last week that this is one of the best crypto plays for investors. You can read this here for Pennystocks INTV. We came out on February 15th. I go over here, INTV, and then this is when the move came. You got the 12th, and then the next day you got this move here. So, it's been a nice quick mover for those that got in. And this is a classic example of what we mean by finding the momentum before it happens. And the reason it's running is quite simple. We said last week INTV is cleaning up its balance sheet. During Q1, convertible debt obligations were greatly reduced. The company projects the balance sheet to be 100% convertible debt free by March 15th. The company delivered on its promise as they became 100% convertible debt free on last week, February 16th. So the company beat its goal by a month. And, as we've said repeatedly to all you newbies, whenever you get an OTC stock cleaning up its balance sheet, and if there's no convertible debt, the OTC stock can run. So this is a classic example of management doing right by its shareholders and delivering. Steve Rubak, CEO of INTV, said, as we are starting to firm up a plan of action for a potential uplisting onto a major stock exchange, we recognize the importance of a strong balance sheet in order to maximize shareholder confidence. So uplisting, cleaning up debt, this guy's doing all the right things, and the proof is in the pudding, and this is why the stock is running. So there you have it, folks. That's why we're getting the move. So INTV is making the right moves. Great management team there. So kudos to INTV shareholders. And the best part is the current market cap is just 119 million. So this rally could just be getting started in INTV. OTC stock to watch number 3 is NSAV. This started the new year trading in the trip zeros at just 0.0003. Many OTC players have been touting NSAV as the next TSMP, and looking at the chart below, you can see why. So just an incredible move, and it's running after acquiring Virtua Broker. This is a Swiss cryptocurrency trading platform with offices in London and Barcelona. This platform is based on AI and offers a full range of trading services such as portfolio management, price search function, and much more. Their platform supports nearly all the major crypto exchanges, including Coinbase, Binance, Bitfinex, and Kraken. James Tilton, the president of NSAV, said, "We are thrilled to be finally introduced Virtual Broker to our loyal NSAV shareholders. I can assure you that this is the first of several planned ventures in the crypto and digital asset arena. We sincerely hope that all of our shareholders can join us in our excitement, and we thank you all for your continued support." And they have already, he's already confirmed that there will be no reverse split. So for all you newbies, reverse splits are bad. But when you get a company like NSAV coming out and public is saying that there is going to be no reverse split, you're going to get a stock that's going to run. And if you want to compare NSAV to TSMP, NSAV has a market cap of just 228 million. TSMP is over 4 billion. So we still think there's more room to run as NSAV looks to become the next TSMP. And lastly, OTC stock to watch number 4 is SWRM. This is running after launching its new live streaming feature for its SWRM Connect video conferencing service. SWRM is now a play on Zoom. And as you can see, Mr. Market really likes what SWRM is doing. So, it's video conferencing is huge. You saw the big bull run in Zoom last year. So we like this big spike higher on Friday. So congrats to all that captured that move. And SWRM Connect, it now supports live streaming through RTMP, and that is real-time messaging protocol. As a host, you can broadcast your video conference to hundreds or thousands of viewers and beyond. SWRM Connect live streaming is compatible with any platform that supports RTMP streaming, which includes Facebook and YouTube Live. While many other systems let you broadcast video and images, SWRM Connect lets you broadcast the entire meeting, including screen sharing. This is great for large corporate or municipal events, letting you reach a massive audience while keeping participation in the meeting to a smaller group of individuals. Those features, along with SWRM's 5G broadband initiative, allow the company to offer streaming information service to the local municipalities or larger enterprises wishing to provide real-time updates to their networks. And the best part about the SWRM, the company has a current market cap of only 32 million. So this one has a lot more room to run, and we really like it. But again, we won't go chasing. If you missed out on the recent run in these 4 OTC stocks, our best advice, again, we're not financial advisors, but be patient, throw bids in below the market. Buying dips, selling rips as Sweden trades remains the best strategy in these markets. And these 4 OTC stocks are hot right now. There's always opportunities in these markets. It's our job to find winning stocks for subscribers, and the best part is huge gains can be made in such a short amount of time. Make sure you are signed up for our email or SMS list. Go to signup.insiderfinancial.com. We got an alert coming Monday, today at the bell. I have a few other things on my radar for later this week. So again, it's just an exciting time to be a penny stock trader, and we're looking to benefit our subscribers, take advantage of it as long as we can, as long as these markets are hot. So congrats to all that have made money in the last year, in the last few months. If you're new to penny stocks, my best advice, again, not a financial advisor, but learn to earn. Use our resources in OTCmarkets.com if you want to get into pennies. The huge gains can be made in such a short amount of time. So again, if that's what you're looking for, OTC stocks are certainly a place you want to do your research and homework. So well, that's about it, guys. We'll be coming live to you tomorrow with a new video. In the meantime, with COVID, stay safe, wear a mask, social distance. Hopefully the vaccine rollout speeds up. Prayers for everyone in Texas. Hopefully things improve there soon. and you know, just take it one day at a time, and you know, stay safe, and you know, protect your gains if you got them. You know, no one ever goes broke taking a profit. You know, you are your own trading business. Don't get caught up into the pressure of social media of you know, it's not a crime to sell, book profits. You know, you can always buy back in on the dip. So again, listen to your gut and do what you think is best. But that's basically the best advice I can give to you. And again, I'm not a financial advisor, but be coming soon to you with a new video shortly. So wish everyone a wonderful and profitable day. Thanks for watching, subscribing, and be talking to you soon. Thank you again. Bye-bye.